Can you solve all these Class 10 Geography Chapter 5 Minerals and Energy Resources questions? Full form of Lepsch. Strong choice. Liquefied petroleum gas is right. What are minerals? Well done. Natural substances from Earth is right. This is the finest coal. Bravo. Anthracite is the answer. What is known black gold? You're right. Coal is correct. Where is coal mainly used? Great thinking. Both 1 and 2 is right. What is coal also called? Well picked. Black gold is correct. What are minerals used for? Correct response. All of the above is accurate. Which is the hardest mineral? Right choice. Diamond is best. Copper is an example for dash. Valid point. Non-ferrous is true. Low-grade brown coal is called. Perfect. Lignite is the one. The iron content in hematite is? Great job! 60–70% is accurate. Manganese is an example for dash. Nicely done. Ferrous mineral is solid. Where are minerals usually found? Good job. In rocks and underground works well. Which energy source is renewable? Excellent choice. Solar is right. What is the primary use of gypsum? Right again. In drywall construction is valid. Minerals are usually found in dash. Solid response. Ores is valid. Solar energy causes air pollution. Smart move. False is accurate answer. Limestone is found in which rocks? Exactly. Sedimentary makes sense. What is the primary use of bauxite? Clear logic. To produce aluminium is sound. Name the lignite mine of Tamil Nadu. Sharp thinking. Nivili is right. What is the main component of coal? Correct. Carbon is spot on. Name one renewable energy resource. You chose solar energy. Correct. Which of the following is a mineral? On track. All of these is correct. Which of these is a ferrous mineral? Smart pick. Manganese is correct. The oldest oil fields of India are in. Nice work. Dig Boy of Assam fits perfectly. Which of these is a metallic mineral? You got it. Iron fits. The careful use of a resource is dash. Excellent. Conservation is well reasoned. Petroleum is found only in Rajasthan. Nice selection. False is correct. This is a conventional energy source. Well reasoned. Coal is correct. What minerals are used in toothpaste? Good thinking. Fluoride, titanium oxide, mica is right. The finest quality of iron ore is dash. Smart move. Magnetite is accurate answer. Sandstone and mica are examples of dash. Perfect. Non-metallic minerals is the one. From which mineral is aluminum obtained? Bravo, bauxite is the answer. Name the state which has thorium reserve. Well reasoned. Kerala is correct. A gas which is found along with petroleum. Valid point. Natural gas is true. Types of coal on the basis of time period. Excellent choice. Gondwana and tertiary is right. Gold, silver, and platinum are examples of. Right again. Precious minerals is valid. Dash is an example of non-ferrous mineral. Good job. Copper works well. The most important oil field of Gujarat is. Good thinking. Tankleshwar is right. What does clean mean for energy sources? Nice work. Does not create pollution fits perfectly. Name one example of a non-metallic mineral. On track. Diamond is correct. Dash is an example of non-metallic mineral. Excellent. Granite is well reasoned. Which mineral is used to manufacture steel? Great job. Iron ore is accurate. Which mineral is commonly used in batteries? Solid response. Lead is valid. The oldest oil-producing state of India dash. Strong choice. Assam is right. What type of energy is used in solar panels? Exactly. Sunlight makes sense. One of the following is known as liquid gold. Sharp thinking. Petroleum is right. Which mineral is also known as liquid gold? You chose petroleum? Correct. Large reserves of natural gas are found in the. Great thinking. Krishna Godavari Basin is right. The top 3 manganese producing states are. Well done. Odisha Psych is right. Magnesium and bromine are mainly derived from. You got it. Ocean waters fits. Which is not a non-conventional energy source. Clear logic. Natural gas is sound. From which of the following minerals come from? You're right. Crust is correct. Natural gas is a conventional source of energy. Smart pick. True is correct. The type of energy that cattle create is dash. Nice selection. Biomass is correct. What is not a drawback of nuclear power plants? Right choice. Renewable source of energy is best. The largest bauxite producing state in India is. Correct. Ayesha is spot on. Dash is the oldest oil producing state of India. Nicely done. Assam is solid. Which type of sand in Kerala is rich in thorium? Well picked. Monazite sands is correct. Name the mineral which is used to reduce cavity. Correct response. Fluorite is accurate. Odisha is the leading producer of which mineral? Nice work. Manganese fits perfectly. This is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel. Well done. Manganese is right. Dash study minerals as part of the Earth's crust. Strong choice. Geographers is right. Which mineral is used in the production of cement? Well picked. Limestone is correct. In which region of India is tidal energy produced? Perfect. Gulf of Kutch is the one.
Which one of the following is known as clean energy?
Excellent choice. Natural gas is right. Which one of the following is a famous copper mine?
You're right. Kutch is correct. How many minerals have been identified in the world?
Great thinking.
2000 is right. Metallic minerals are divided into which categories?
Right again. Both 1 and 2 is valid.
Which state in India has the largest coal reserves?
You got it. Jharkhand fits.
Durg Basta Chandrapur belt lies in dash and dash.
Nice selection. Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra is correct.
Where are most of India's petroleum deposits found?
Solid response. In sedimentary rocks is valid.
Which energy source is renewable and pollution-free?
Great job. Solar energy is accurate.
Which mineral is primarily found in placer deposits?
Well reasoned. Gold is correct. Which is the major mica producing area in Rajasthan? Exactly. B. Ajmer makes sense.
Which type of coal is the highest quality hard coal?
Right choice. Anthracite is best.
Manganese is an example of ferrous metallic mineral. Bravo! True is the answer. Which one of the following is a non-metallic mineral?
Smart pick. Mica is correct.
Which of the following energy is obtained from ocean?
Nicely done. Tidal is solid.
What is the main environmental impact of coal mining? Sharp thinking. All of the above is right. Which one of the following state has major oil fields?
Good job. Assam works well. Brown coal, soft with high moisture content, is called. Correct response. Lignite is accurate.
What is the main reason for conservation of minerals? Smart move. They are non-renewable is accurate answer.
This metal is malleable, ductile, and a good conductor.
On track. Copper is correct. The smaller occurrences of minerals are called as dash.
Valid point. Veins is true. What are non-renewable energy resources also known as?
Correct. Fossil fuels is spot on. Which of the following minerals is used in toothpaste? Oh. Clear logic. Silica is sound. Metallurgical coal used in the smelting of iron ore is. You chose bituminous. Correct. Which one of the following is a low-quality brown coal? Good thinking. Lignite is right. Which one of the following types of ore found in India?
Excellent. Hematite and magnetite is well reasoned.
Which state in India has the largest wind farm cluster? You chose Tamil Nadu. Correct. In sedimentary rocks, a number of minerals occur in dash. Smart pick. Beds and layers is correct. Which mineral is used to reduce cavities in toothpaste?
Clear logic. Fluoride is sound.
Where is the nuclear power plant located in Maharashtra?
Perfect. Tarapur is the one.
Which of the following is a non-renewable energy source? Nicely done. Natural gas is solid. Where is the largest wind farm cluster located in India? Excellent choice. Tamil Nadu is right. Which of the following fuels leaves a residue on burning? On track. Coal is correct. Which of the following minerals is obtained from bauxite? Smart move. Aluminum is accurate answer. Manikaran is popular for production of. Exactly. Geothermal energy makes sense. Other than Mumbai High, India's offshore oil field is at. Nice work. Pool fits perfectly. Which of the following is an example of ferrous minerals? Sharp thinking. Manganese is right. Which mineral is essential for the production of aluminum? Bravo, bauxite is the answer. Iron ore is an example of which of the following minerals? Well picked. Ferrous minerals is correct. 6- is the largest producer of manganese ores in India. Well reasoned. Odisha is correct. Which mineral is known for its malleability and ductility? Correct. Copper is spot on. Which of the following is the largest coal field in India? Good thinking. Jharia is right. Bellary Chhatradoga Chikamagaluru Tumakuru belt is famous for. Right choice. Iron ore is best. Which of the following is not a characteristic of minerals? Solid response. Aorganic origin is valid. Rocks are combination of homogeneous substances called dash. Great job. Minerals is accurate. Uranium and thorium used for generating power are found in. Excellent. Arvali ranges of Rajasthan is well reasoned. Which of the following states is the oldest producer of oil? Valid point. Assam is true. Which metals are placed in the category of metallic minerals? Well done. All of the above is right. Which non-metallic mineral is commonly used in construction? Good job. Granite works well. Which mineral is used for releasing atomic or nuclear energy? You're right. B. Thorium is correct.
What is the most abundant renewable energy resource on Earth?
Correct response. Hydropower is accurate. Iron ore is exported to Japan and South Korea via which port? You got it. Visakhapatnam fits. The Hazira Vijaypur Jagdishpur pipeline does not pass through. Great thinking. Maharashtra is right. The bauxite mines of Koraput are huge deposits in the state of. Right again. Odisha is valid. Which mineral is primarily used in the manufacturing of steel? Nice selection. Iron ore is correct. Which of the finest iron ore with a very high content of iron? Strong choice. Magnetite is right. Which mineral is known for its excellent dielectric strength? What? Solid response. Mica is valid. India is critically deficient in the reserve and production of. On track. Copper is correct. Koderma. in Jharkhand is the leading producer of which mineral? Sharp thinking. Bauxite is right. Which mineral is known for its excellent insulating properties? You got it. Mica fits. Which state in India is the largest producer of manganese ores? Smart move. Madhya Pradesh is accurate answer. In which of the following states are the major oil fields located? Valid point. Assam is true. Pick out the incorrect option. Wind farms in India are located at. Bravo. Western Ghats in Maharashtra is the answer. Which mineral is formed from the decomposition of surface rocks? Smart pick. Bauxite is correct. Dash are combinations of homogeneous substances called minerals. Well picked. B rocks is correct. What is the primary environmental concern associated with mining? Perfect. All of the above is the one.
An example of a mineral found in igneous and metamorphic rocks is.
Excellent. C copper is well reasoned. What is the process of extracting minerals from the earth called? Great job. Mining is accurate. What type of mining is prevalent in Meghalaya for coal extraction? Correct. Rat hole mining is spot on. The white color in toothpaste comes from which of the following? Nice selection. Titanium is correct. In which of the rocks below minerals are found in beds and layers? Right again. Sedimentary is valid. One problem with a dash energy is that it produces radioactive waste. Good job. Nuclear works well. Which of the following types of energy is not a renewable resource? Right choice. Nuclear energy is best. In igneous and metamorphic rocks, minerals may not occur in the dash. Correct response. Beds is accurate. The most important Gondwana coal fields of India are located in dash. Great thinking. Damodar Valley is right. Which of the following minerals is used to reduce cavities in teeth? Well done. Fluoride is right. Natural gas is used as industrial raw material in the dash industry. Strong choice. Petrochemical industry is right.
Large reserves of natural gas have been discovered in the Dash Basin.
Good thinking. Krishna Godavari is right.
In how many ways minerals are classified on the basis of composition?
2 is solid. Veins and lodes are the joints and cracks where minerals are found in. Excellent choice. Igneous rocks is right. Which one of the following states is the leading producer of iron ore? Nice work. Karnataka fits perfectly. Which fossil fuel is most commonly used for power generation in India? You're right. Coal is correct.
Iron ore, gypsum, potash salt, and sodium salt are the minerals found in.
Clear logic. B sedimentary rocks is sound. Which of the following is the world's largest producer of solar energy? Well reasoned. China is correct. Which state was the largest bauxite producing state in India in 2016-17?
You chose Odisha. Correct.
Which one of the following minerals is contained in the monazite sands?
Exactly. Thorium makes sense.
Which one of the following mineral is used in manufacturing of aluminum?
Strong choice. Bauxite is right.
How many percent minerals intake represents our total intake of nutrients?
0.3 makes sense. Which one of the following minerals is largely derived from ocean waters?
Right again. Bromine is valid.
The Southwest Plateau region is rich in which of the following minerals?
Well picked. Ferrous metals and bauxite is correct.
Hazaribagh in Jharkhand is important for which of the following minerals?
Bravo, copper is the answer.
In which of the following states is the largest wind farm cluster located?
Right choice. Tamil Nadu is best.
Large reserves of natural gas have been discovered in which place in India?
Nice selection. Krishna Godavari Basin is correct.
Availability of which of the following minerals are associated with Kerala?
Perfect. Thorium is the one.
What quantity of India's petroleum production is obtained from Mumbai High?
Well reasoned. 63% is correct.
Magnetite is the finest iron ore with a very high content of iron up to dash.
Correct response. 70% is accurate.
Which of the following minerals belongs to the category of ferrous minerals?
Solid response. Manganese is valid.
The toothbrush and tube containing paste are made up of plastic obtained from.
You got it. Petroleum fits.
Which renewable energy source is obtained by altering the structure of atoms?
Valid point. Nuclear energy is true.
Minerals are deposited and accumulated in the stratus of the following rocks.
Excellent. Sedimentary rocks is well reasoned.
Which out of the following metallic minerals is obtained from veins and lodes?
Sharp thinking. Zinc is right.
In which kind of rocks are the minerals deposited and accumulated in the stratus?
Great thinking. Sedimentary rocks is right.
Koderma Gaya Hazaribagh belt of Jharkhand is the leading producer of dash mineral.
Good thinking. Mica is right.
Which of the following is not an advantage of non-conventional sources of energy?
Correct. Low cost of production is spot on.
We should adopt a cautious approach for the judicious use of dash energy resources.
Nice work. Limited fits perfectly.
Which ore is the most important industrial iron, or in terms of the quantity used?
On track. Hematite is correct.
What is the study of minerals, their composition, structure, and properties called?
Smart move. Mineralogy is accurate answer.
Which of the following regions is not associated with the availability of petroleum? Nicely done. Madhya Pradesh is solid. Ballari Chitradurga Chikmagaluru Tumkur belt in Karnataka has large reserves of dash. E?
Well done. Iron ore is right.
Koderma in Jharkhand is the leading producer of which one of the following minerals?
Smart pick. Mica is correct.
Which of the following is the basic mineral and the backbone of industrial development?
You're right. Iron ore is correct.
Homogeneous? Naturally occurring substances with a definable internal structure are known as.
Excellent choice. C mineral is right.
Which of the following geological structure of India is devoid of minerals of economic use? You chose vast alluvial plain. Correct.
Which out of the following minerals is formed as a result of evaporation in the arid regions?
Great job. Gypsum is accurate.
Ferrous minerals account for about dash of the total value of production of metallic minerals. Clear logic? H is sound. The mineral resources of any country provide the necessary foundation for the development of dash.
Good job. Industrial development works well. They are interested in the formation of minerals, their age and physical and chemical composition. Well reasoned. Geologist is correct.
Geothermal experimental projects are located at Parvati Valley in Manakhan in Himachal Pradesh and
Right again. Puga Valley in Ladakh is valid.
In India, the Gulf of Dash on the western coast provide ideal conditions for utilizing tidal energy.
Great job. Pillar is accurate. What is the process of extracting valuable minerals or other geological materials from the earth called? Smart pick. A mining is correct.
Bailadila range of hills in the Basta district have dash deposits of super high-grade hematite iron ore.
Nice work. 14 fits perfectly.
Petroleum refineries act as a dash for synthetic textile, fertilizer, and numerous chemical industries.
Exactly. Nodal industry makes sense.
The Badampaha mine in Mayarbhanj and Kenduja district is situated in which of the following Indian state?
Well picked. Odisha is correct.
In a geological survey, it is found that in sedimentary rocks, a number of minerals occur in beds or layers.
Sharp thinking. True is right.
Choose the combination that shows the first 4 highest producers of iron ores in India. 33%, 28%, 19%, 11%.
You chose Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka. Correct?
Coal often forms where once there were swamps. What characteristic of swamps is important to the formation of coal?
Nicely done. Abundant plant life is solid. In India, the Gulf of Kammut, the Gulf of Mutch and Gangetic Delta provide ideal condition for utilizing which energy? Bravo! Tidal energy is the answer. Large reserves of natural gas in India are found in Mumbai High, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Krishna Godavari Basin and... Right choice. Gulf of Cambay is best.
Wind is a dash energy resource.
Excellent. Renewable is well reasoned.
Which one of the following minerals is formed by the decomposition of rocks, leaving a residual mass of weathered material?
Nice selection. Bauxite is correct.
Other than making alloy steel, the mineral is used for making bleaching powder, paints and insecticides. Which is this mineral?
On track? Manganese is correct.
Which of the below given deposits is a 100% export unit and is transported as slurry through a pipeline to a port at Mangalore?
Excellent choice. Kurdamukh Mines is right. India is endowed with a rich variety of mineral resources due to its varied geological structure, mainly associated to the dash part of our country.
Good thinking. Peninsular is right.
This picture represents which type of alternative energy?
Strong choice. Solar is right.
Wind power is an energy source that causes very little pollution. Large modern wind turbines are turned by the wind to produce electricity. What type of resource is wind power?
Good job. Renewable works well.
Which renewable resource uses the natural resource in the picture below to produce energy?
Correct response. Biomass is accurate.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Great thinking. Contact Narayan Changder on Facebook is right.